Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we will be discussing with some of the core points that happened in the previous week and what is expected out of the coming week. Now if you can see in front of your screen, there are list of points which are likely to affect. You can find some of the points which are likely to affect for the coming week. Now first point is regarding the holidays. The week which is going to start from 8 June till 12 June, in this entire week there are no trading holidays. Therefore the entire week will be full-fledgedly active in trading. Apart from that, in the second point you can say the international indices. When you come onto the global markets, the complete globe turned green while it ended previously. Therefore it's a positive point. Now coming on to the third point, which is the US dollar price. If you see, there is a slight change of the US dollar to Indian rupee price from that of its previous week. So this is one thing which is to be observed. Apart from that, there are few listed quarter results to be announced this week. Like if you can see, the Titan company is to announce, Hero MotoCorp, about India, and the list goes on with certain large, small and mid-cap companies. Now coming on to the another part, which is the news and our views and some of the political scenario is to be discussed over here. The first and foremost point to be discussed is regarding the coronavirus and lockdown. First we'll talk about the good news. The good news is that from tomorrow onwards, majority of the countrywide restaurants, malls and religious places shall be opened with certain guidelines. So this is something which is very good, that everything will come to its action from tomorrow, but with certain limitation and guidelines. Now coming on to the bad news. The bad news is that it has been reported that the number of coronavirus cases are increasing day by day, and not only India, throughout the globe it has been happening so, but India has major incidences in which it is quite concerning that the number of cases are too much increasing, and which is a cautionary part to look into. Over here one thing is to be observed, as there was finish of this lockdown, or you can say unlock, was being implemented over here, but due to the increase in numbers, anything can be expected in the future. Hope things turn out to be good in the future. But we can what we can visualize from what is happening is what can we expect this to be an impactful news in our stock market is to be studied over here. Next comes the US elections. US elections which are around the corner for this year. In fact, in the month of November, something around first week of November itself, the US elections are going to take place. So that is also a news to consider. Apart from that, US-China trade deal, there have been several talks going on between both the countries, and although they are trying to reduce all the allegations, but still it is being under observation that what is going to be the outcome, because Trump seems to be very much disturbed with China, and he has taken some bold steps although in the previous, but at the same time there is negotiations and talkings going on. Another thing which is disturbing the US economy is that there are riots going on in US. It is such disturbing that basically these riots are between whites and blacks, and it is so disturbing that many showrooms, malls and various other big places are being looted, and there is a chaos kind of situation within the country. So this might also impact the economy as a whole. Now comes the crude oil prices. Presently, crude oil prices don't seem anywhere in a mode to get any kind of a revival at the moment, and there is quite a negative news coming in terms of crude oil production and its sales. An important factor, that is the economy. The economy is too disturbed at the moment. First, let's talk about the economy in the country. In spite of several stimulus packages and all sorts of procedures to revive the economy, but there is no symptoms of recovery at the moment. So, and this is not something which is happening only within our country. This is the situation which is prevailing throughout the world, because all the factors are listed in front of you. Apart from that, there are several big stake buyers, investors and various acquisitions taking place within the country, especially in terms of Reliance Industries. There are approximately 6 deals which are being dealt, and apart from that there are some more deals which are expected to happen. Now the next point will be India-China tension. Although previously this Saturday there were talks between diplomats from Indian side as well as the China side, and there can be some kind of bilateral deal or something of that sort. Things look to move forward. Both the countries are in mood to talk and solve the issue, so something positive can be expected out of this. Well, that's it guys. I think I'm done for the day. I will be coming up with new video shortly. I wish you all the very best for your weekly trades. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. At the same time, also hit the bell icon for timely updates. Thank you very much.